Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cook with Surbhi. Friends, are you craving for some spicy roadside food but you cannot have it due to this lockdown period? If yes, then in today's video I am going to show you this paneer veggie roll, or we can say Frankie roll, with a very easy ingredients available at home. This will be pure, healthy and hygienic recipe for you all. It would be chemical free, homemade recipe. I will be showing each and every step from scratches. Everything will be shown in this video will be from scratches. So stay tuned and let's get started. In a bowl, I am going to take half cup of whole wheat flour or गेहूं का आटा, then half cup of मैदा or all purpose flour you can say. Into this I am adding salt, approx half teaspoon, and then 2 to 3 tablespoon of oil. I am using unflavored oil. You can use olive oil as per your choice. You can use ghee as well. Now I am going to knead this dough with the help of my hand. So friends, as I have used here maida, you can avoid maida and you can replace maida with that whole wheat flour or गेहूं का आटा. So I am kneading this dough not so tight, it would be soft like chapati dough with the help of some lukewarm water. So the dough is ready. Now we have to keep this dough for 15 minutes. In a bowl, I am going to take 250 grams of paneer. I have finely chopped this paneer. You can replace paneer with soya bean. And into this I have added half cup of thick curd. Into this I am adding half teaspoon of salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, then this is garam masala powder, and this is red chili powder. So the red chili powder you can adjust it according to your taste. Even the other spices also you can adjust it according to your taste. So now I am going to mix it. Once it is mixed, I am going to add approx 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then again mix it. So we have to mix this with a very soft hands as we are using here paneer. So paneer is actually a soft nature. So we have to mix it with the soft hand. Then I am adding into it the marinated paneer. The next step is the spread. So for that spread I am taking mayonnaise and adding some red chili powder into it, and I am going to give it a mix. See, the spread is now ready. On the other side we are having paneer. We have to reduce all its water so that only the dry paneer will be left. If a stuffing is having some water in it, your roll will become soggy. Now here I have cut some of the vegetables like carrots, capsicum, onions. If you want, you can add lettuce leaves, cabbage, beetroot. You can add veggies as much as you can. Now into this I am going to add lemon juice. And I will sprinkle some salt also. Now we will mix it. Now the veggies are done. Now we are going to heat up tawa. And I'm going to make a chapati, a very thin chapati. If you can see the thickness, it would be the thickness of your chapati. And on a medium flame, we have to cook this chapati. So friends, if you can see, little bubbles are coming. So we do not have to cook this chapati like our normal roti. It should be like for 2 to 3 minutes on both the sides. Once you will see little bubbles are coming, if you can see here very closely, the bubbles have came now, and you can see some golden balls are also there. Similarly, from the next side also we have to check the small bubbles and few golden color. Now on this chapati I am going to spread this mayonnaise which we have prepared by mixing some red chili powder. Once this is spread, we are going to add paneer here. Means we have to line up the paneer like this as shown in the video. If you can see, the paneer is still hot and the fumes are coming. Now onto that I am adding some chaat masala, just sprinkling some chaat masala. Onto that I am going to add some veggies which we have prepared. Now I am going to roll it. So friends, be careful and watch this important part. So once you have covered it, then at this point you have to push it back and very tight like that. Yes, and then roll it. Your roll is ready. Now I will show you how to wrap this roll so that you can give your kids as a lunch. So just take any aluminum foil, keep it here and roll it like it and fold both the sides. Now we can cut this into 2 pieces with the help of any knife. So see, now in this way you can give your kids, your husband the lunch. Now I am going to prepare the second type of paneer roll. So in the similar manner I have spread that mayonnaise. So similarly I am going to line up paneer over it in that similar manner. Onto this I have added chaat masala, and then I have added the veggies. See, the veggies will bring a very crunch in your taste, as well as it will make your food a very healthy, especially for your kids. Now onto this I am having some cheese cubes, so we will grate these cheese cubes onto the stuffing. So friends, cheese cubes are easily available in the market, and this is the second type of roll which I am showing. The first roll which I have shown you is without cheese, and this is the second type of roll which is with cheese. So I hope you will like this. Now in the similar way I am adding more and more cheese because my kids, they love cheese. So I am adding here cheese, and also the cheese will give a very creamy and cheesy taste to your roll. So now in the similar manner I am rolling it, if you can see. So friends, our second type of roll is ready. Now this is the third type of roll or third step. You can totally avoid this step if you want. I have heated my tawa, and onto that I have put 1 teaspoon of oil. Now I have taken my roll, and that fold side which is showing on that video, I have to put that side first on the tawa. It will just give a very crispy and a very good color to your roll. So now see the color of this fried roll. Doesn't it look yummy? So now I am going to cut it from between.
तो वो तो 10 तो निकालते ही हो ना तुम ये तो निकालते ही हो ना। ये मंथ है या डे है? एमएम है ना, तो मंथ है ना।
Now see,
तो month
see the color, the stuffings, everything has been tightly bound up inside that roll. So friends, you need not to go outside. Just make it at home and give me the feedback. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel.